Hey, Welewe. Okay, in case you're seeing me for the first time, they call me the Welewe Master. Wala day. Wala day. I don't talk about, I say, wonders shall never end. The only thing we go end wonders, now when this world go end. When this world end, now wonders go end. As we see this life, wonders can never end. This news when I want to talk to, I'm going to go to the comment section, I go hear the video with the audio and I go see them well. So I won't just talk them, but now go there and I'll go watch them. Yahoo boys don't dupe police officer. A policeman of the Federal Republic of Nigeria was duped by this internet fraud. The scam policeman. Wonders shall never end. So it don't reach this level. According to the police, make you see, mukuna yet to real. He say for Facebook, a wife they into Facebook, so somebody come wave him. The Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, he say wave him for Facebook. Yemi Osinbajo dey Facebook. He can't wave the police officer, a wife. So they can't chat. He say he get one company, so the woman they among the lucky winner want to give her 950,000. So she's among the lucky winners. She's one of the lucky winners. So he can't ask for account number. So this police officer can't take the husband phone. They send the account number to Yemi Osinbajo. He said I can't number give him mission. The husband and the police officer got a surprise. Even when the husband come, the wife can't tell us, say what they happen. No. He said, he not tell, he begin to receive a lot and they deduct money come for your account. They begin to deduct money for the police officer account. My God. Now I got begin to wonder, a police officer and his wife, Yemi Osinbajo just wave at you. He said you be one of the lucky winners. They give you, he won't give you 950,000. If not be greed where they worry them. Yemi Osinbajo just they give money like that. The woman can't be happy. Even the police officer can't still they happy. They expect money. See, all I see there is 0% of intelligence in the police force. When I was supposed to they trap all these scammers, all this 419 them, so that they can't scam you, or police for that matter. If not be the same greed where they worry the police, why you go for victim? Can you imagine? It takes a Professor Yemi Osinbajo, they wave at you. You won't go give money hat. So Yemi Osinbajo don't turn to Father Christmas. Even these days, Father Christmas don't they share money. Before Father Christmas go give you gift, you must pay money. So in other words, that the money where you pay, now be the gift where they give you. So now greed now they worry the police and the wife. So if they cry that and say don't report the matter to SAS and they want the police headquarters, may they track those boys. Yeah, it's good to track them. Yes, they go track them. And used to Oga police, you be also greedy man. You see? Anyway, sorry for your money. But if you check them, all those money when they see they collect or budget, that is if they are among them. When they collect for innocent people, now go stop motor, now go collect money, you're not giving them money, now go let motor pass. Those boys that don't collect the money back. I'm not glorifying the heart too. If they catch those boys, may they face the law. But you, Oga police, you two, you're not wise. You and your wife, now great to see the world on too. Okay, now so I talk and bridge. No verse, I tell you the truth. I'm just giving the word the truth. I might not be 100% correct. Don't stay out of trouble, my people, till I come your way again. I remain the Welewe Master. Hey, Wele.